Root Beer Master here, coming with another pack opening. And since May's kind of special because my birthday's coming up, I decided to splurge a little and open the Collector's Turtles pack for Magic the Gathering. Let's see if I can get one of the Eastman cards. Can I not look like a fool for a change? Oh. I knew that. I totally knew that. Nice robot. That's a nice master token. That's the holofoil mutagen. Now let's see what we got. Return to the Source. No group biological assets. That's kind of nice. Cowabunga. Oroku Saki Shredder Rising. Nice. Utron Scientists. Let's see what we got. The Turtle Blimp. Okay. I'm glad the Turtle Blimp made it as a card. I haven't looked at all the cards yet. Metalhead. Leonardo, Leader in Blue. Oh, God. I love the Ninja Turtles. I'm an 80s elitist. Is a Magic the Gathering card? I'm kind of... Nah, I'm kind of disappointed in all honesty. And even if you were going to use the 80s art, you could have done a little bit better here. Oh well. Moving on. Soul Ring. Damn. Do I use this Soul Ring? Or this Soul Ring's kind of cool, but I don't know that I want to replace Miku. Forest. What do we got? Raft the Night Watcher. That's kind of a sick card. Continue. Not bad. Not bad at all. Toka and Razor the Terrible 2. Okay, now, as far as our 80s cards go, I like the art to this one. I know it sounds dumb. I know people are gonna hate it, but I gotta say, I like this one much better than the Leo card. It's just a rare. And a mythic. Oh, score! Leo's Katana, Eastman art, mythic. Hell yes. Talk about a win there. That makes my day. That makes the pack worth it. And then we got an 80s Raphael's Technique. And it looks like it's straight out of the anime cartoon. Or the old 80s cartoon. I like that. Like, I know people are going to hate it. It doesn't fit as with the Magic. The art style's a little bit goofy. But I rather like it. Anyway, thanks for watching.